Synology Drive versus Nextcloud, which is the best self hosted cloud solution. Hello, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to have a side by side look at Synology Drive and Nextcloud, analyzing setup ease, features, performance, user friendliness, and which option best fits basic users versus tech savvy ones. So, if you're looking to take back control from Google Drive or Dropbox, we're going to help you figure out which one suits your needs best. So let's get started with what they are and how do they differ. First, let's start with Synology Drive. So Synology Drive is designed for Synology NAS devices and is one of the most straightforward personal cloud solutions you can get. Super simple deployment, just plug in your NAS and follow a few prompts, stable syncing on both desktop and mobile, built-in utilities for backups via Hyper Backup and media management via Moments or Photos, automatic system updates, and centralized control through DSM. However, it requires Synology hardware to work and offers less flexibility in terms of design and advanced automation. So next we have is Nextcloud. It is an open source cloud platform you can install on nearly any Linux server, Raspberry Pi, or VPS. It is 100% customizable, huge add-on on marketplace for everything from calendars and messaging to encryption and collaborative docs. It can run on inexpensive generic hardware, but it does demand manual setup and routine upkeep. There's no built-in backup media apps, you'll need to install those separately. It has mobile sync, can occasionally be less consistent than Synology's. So next, let's head over and talk about the user interface. So let's start with Synology user interface. So if you've ever used Dropbox or Google Drive, Synology's interface will feel intuitive and familiar. It's clean, minimal, and focuses on making storage and file management effortless. So next, let's head over to Nextcloud UI. Nextcloud offers a more modular layout. You can customize the dashboard, but depending on how many apps you install, it might feel cluttered or overwhelming at first. Still, power users will appreciate the control and flexibility. So basically, both of the solutions offer file syncing and sharing, version control, user permissions, cross device support, two factor authentication. But here's how they diverge. Synology Drive is strong for personal cloud use and small business teams. Seamless collaboration via Synology Office, focused on reliability over extensive features, automatic firmware, software updates, and minimal manual work. Nextcloud has full productivity platform if you want it to be, includes apps for video conferencing, document editing, such as Collabora, OnlyOffice, Calendar, Chat, and more. It has end-to-end encryption available, advanced federation for connecting multiple Nextcloud server. So it's not just storage, it can be your digital workplace. Next, let's head over and talk about security. So Synology Drive offers a secure environment, but you're locked into what Synology provides. Nextcloud is ideal for privacy conscious users. You decide where the data lives, what's encrypted, and which protocols are in use. With Nextcloud being open source, everything is transparent from the code base to your data handling. So now the question is, which one should you use? You get to pick Synology Drive if you already own or plan to get a Synology NAS. If you want an easy to run, reliable personal cloud, prefer an out of the box solution with official support. Choose Nextcloud if you are comfortable managing servers, need a flexible open source platform, want to build a self hosted collaboration hub. So the users are really appreciating both of these platforms, and Synology Drive is best for the people who want cloud storage that just works. Nextcloud is for tinkerers and privacy enthusiasts who want full control. So no matter which one you choose, you're cutting ties with big tech clouds and gaining back ownership of your data. So that's a win either way. If you found this breakdown helpful, give the video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more tech comparisons and cloud tutorials. So I'll see you in the next video.